Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about skin types and how to take care of them properly. By knowing your skin type, you can choose the right skincare products and routine that will help you achieve your skin goals. Skin types are generally divided into 5, namely, normal skin. Skin that is not too oily or too dry, like a boyfriend who is not too handsome or too ugly. Normal skin is well balanced and does not tend to have any major problems. However, it is still important to take care of normal skin to maintain its health and radiance. Oily skin, skin that produces excessive oil, like a boyfriend who is too possessive. Oily skin is more prone to acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. It is important to use skincare products that are oil-free and non-comedogenic to avoid clogging the pores. Dry skin, skin that lacks oil, like a boyfriend who is too indifferent. Dry skin is more prone to flaking, itching, and irritation. It is important to use skincare products that are hydrating and moisturizing to keep the skin hydrated. Sensitive skin, skin that is easily reactive to external factors, like a boyfriend who is too sensitive. Sensitive skin is more prone to redness, inflammation, and irritation. It is important to use skincare products that are gentle and fragrance-free to avoid irritating the skin. Combination skin, skin that has 2 different skin types in the face area, namely oily skin in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, and dry skin in the cheek area. Combination skin is more prone to acne, blackheads, and whiteheads in the T-zone, and flaking and irritation in the cheek area. It is important to use skincare products that are specifically designed for combination skin. When choosing skincare products, it is important to consider your skin type. Here are some tips. If you have normal skin, use skincare products that are gentle and non-comedogenic. You may also want to use products that contain antioxidants and vitamins to protect and nourish your skin. If you have oily skin, use skincare products that are oil-free and non-comedogenic. You may also want to use products that contain salicylic acid or glycolic acid to help unclog the pores and reduce oil production. If you have dry skin, use skincare products that are hydrating and moisturizing. You may also want to use products that contain ceramides or hyaluronic acid to help strengthen the skin barrier and retain moisture. If you have sensitive skin, use skincare products that are gentle and fragrance-free. You may also want to use products that contain calming ingredients such as aloe vera or chamomile. If you have combination skin, use skincare products that are specifically designed for combination skin. These products will typically be oil-free and non-comedogenic in the T-zone, and hydrating and moisturizing in the cheek area. Once you have chosen the right skincare products, it is important to follow a regular skincare routine. Here are some tips. Cleanse your face twice a day. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin. Use toner. Toner helps to balance the skin's pH and remove any remaining traces of cleanser. Apply moisturizer. Moisturizer helps to hydrate and protect the skin. Choose a moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin type. Apply sunscreen every day. Sunscreen helps to protect the skin from harmful UV rays. Choose a sunscreen that has an SPF of 30 or higher. By following the tips above, you can learn how to take care of your skin properly and achieve your skin goals. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it is important to find what works best for you. If you have any concerns about your skin, be sure to consult with a dermatologist. Dry skin is like a boyfriend who is too indifferent. He won't even give you a hug. Oily skin is like a boyfriend who is too possessive. He wants to be the only one touching you. Combination skin is like a boyfriend who is both possessive and indifferent. He wants to touch you, but only in certain places. Sensitive skin is like a boyfriend who is too sensitive. He gets offended easily. Here are some additional tips for taking care of your skin. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresh new skin. Use a mask. Masks can help to hydrate, nourish, or treat specific skin concerns. Wear a hat and sunglasses. Wearing a hat and sunglasses can help to protect your skin from the sun. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin hydrated. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep helps your skin to repair itself. By following the tips above, you can learn how to take care of your skin properly and achieve your skin goals. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it is important to find what works best for you. If you have any concerns about your skin, be sure to consult with a dermatologist. Thank you for watching this video.